I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Web Pro's amazing feature to automatically allow you to join groups simply off any browsed site. Guys, your WhatsApp groups are important. If you want to join them quickly, use this feature. Let's dive straight into this right now. The first we're going to do is the grab the link section. All right, you're going to open the browser first, and then once that browser's open, it's going to be super easy from here, guys. All right, it's a simple click and play. So it's going to go through the WhatsApp group links that you want. You're going to get loads of different links on Google. All right, and what you want to do is just choose one of these links, guys. So we're going to choose this one here. All right, once you've chose this and you've initiated this, all right, on this 909, yep, they're going to go with this one. Once you've initiated it, all right, this is going to be the WhatsApp group links it's going to take it from. Guys, it's really that simple. All right, it goes onto the browser for you. You choose the links you want. Look at all these groups here, and we're going to press start grabbing. This is now going to grab all the links off this website. So you can do this with any website you want. All right, you want to type obviously WhatsApp links into Google, because just like we did, it comes up with actual pages with loads of different groups. So once you click start grabbing, it's going to grab them for you. Like it says, you can navigate to any website where the links are. It's really easy from here, guys. Then it's going to load up this save as page. You want to save this onto your computer. All right, save it as group links or whatever it is you want to call, and you'll see it says file downloaded successfully. That means that you now have this whole linked grabbing file on your computer. Really, really cool, guys. All right. Now what I want to show you is if you actually want to use this in conjunction with the auto group joiner. So we've grabbed the group links. Now we press start now, and we're going to join these groups. So it's going to open up the browser or WhatsApp. Please make sure you're obviously logged in always for all of these features. Once it loads up this, okay, you're going to see the group links. It's got an upload Excel sheet. That file you just saved, correct, you're going to add this in. Now it's got all of them group chats. So what's the next stage for us, guys? First, we want to choose our delay settings, okay, how long we have to wait. Now, the reason we do this is because some groups actually get you banned and things if you just join and spamming, okay? So join these delay settings with how you like them and then click start, okay? Because it's already been initiated, it's going to be running, okay? And you want this, watch the percent go up. Now, what this is doing is joining your WhatsApp, which you've connected. You can see on the left-hand side, the symbols are going, joining you into every group. Now, if it fails, it will just say fail. If it says success, that means you have successfully joined the group. Some of them do fail, guys. You might have to run it more than once, okay? That's just how it is. Some of them have prevention blockers. So do that and then wait till it gets to 100%. Once it's at 100%, guys, all right, you will see it says status completed, and you can actually scroll through and find which ones have been successful and which ones have been a failure. So guys, you'll see in your WhatsApp now, you've actually joined all of these groups. Look at this, the ones that were successful. So they've got here, Be Love Token, Forex, Meta. You can do this for any scenario, whether it's just gaming groups that you're trying to look for, it doesn't matter, all right? You're in them groups. That's how easy this is, all right? It's all done for you on this platform. Guys, I can't recommend this platform enough. WhatsApp marketing tool. It's never been easier without WhatsApp Web Pro. Now, if you want to read all about it, please go on the website like this. All right, there's over 5,700 active customers right now enjoying these awesome features, the personalized messages, the important contacts, number generated, group contacts, what we just showed you. All right, the group auto joiner, everything, and all for a price of $0 if you want to do it for 3 days to get a trial. You get all the access to features, but if you want to just dive in, use this all the time. It's $8 to $9.99 lifetime fee. Thanks, guys. Do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit the link down below to get involved right now, and I'll see you next time.